So you want to know how to change a router bit. Let's dive in. So that chuck is where the bit's going to go in. And there are two nuts. Actually, that chuck tightens against that outer nut. And with this Rockwell, so you loosen it by going to the right. And then when that chuck is loosened, then you can insert a bit in there. And I like to bottom it out. Push it all the way down so the shaft is at the bottom of the chuck. Some routers will have a spring-loaded lever. The spring-loaded lever will go into that chuck, and that'll keep it from turning. But this model has 2 wrenches. So now that the bit is in there, we can tighten towards the left. And then you can actually use the housing to hold that wrench as I tighten this one towards it. Or you can squeeze them, like so. That chuck is good and tight. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. For more woodworking videos, click the image on your screen now.